Startling new details about a woman accused of literally throwing away her newborn.
Police say she gave birth, dumped the baby in a trash can, and went right back to work at a West Side factory. Well, today, 22-year-old Brianna Holland made her first court appearance. Derek Thomas was there.
A maintenance worker found the baby in a trash can in the women's bathroom. The details are heartbreaking. 22-year-old Brianna Holland left her workstation at the factory and had her baby in the restroom. According to court documents, the lower half of the baby boy's body was wrapped in a brown paper bag and the head was wrapped in a separate paper bag. Toilet tissue was wrapped approximately 15 times around his neck, and a tampon applicator and tissue were stuffed in the baby's mouth. The worker who found the child said the baby's face was purple and body was cold. The baby was gasping for air and suddenly stopped. The worker slapped the baby on the butt and the baby started to cry. Prosecutor Christina Karabub praised the worker's life-saving efforts but declined to address formal charges. How is this not attempted murder?
At this point, we're reviewing all the possible charges that could be before us, and what we needed to do from our preliminary charging until the charging decisions that we'll announce tomorrow was to interview medical staff, to conduct other interviews with people who were on the property, and then to review any statements that were made by the alleged perpetrator in this case to make sure that we had the correct decision.
One of the saddest aspects of the case is the fact that there is a fire station directly across the street from the factory. According to the safe haven law, Holland could have dropped the baby off, no questions asked, at any firehouse, police station, or hospital emergency room.
We'll continue to drive that message home over and over and over as the days go on, and hopefully it sinks in with folks. So if there's anyone else out there that runs into the same situation, that they're going to make the right choice and bring the child to a fire station, police station, or a hospital.
Holland worked at the factory and also attended Kaplan College. On Friday before this incident, she and her twin sister were registering for classes. Prosecutors tell me that the baby is alive and well. The Department of Child Services will determine the future of the child. Derek Thomas, RTV6.
In court documents, Holland's boyfriend said she had a prior abortion and didn't want to disappoint her mother with another pregnancy. She's held on $50,000 bond. Formal charges will be filed against her in the morning. More details now on Indiana's safe haven law that is designed to prevent these types of abandonment incidents. It allows a parent to give up an unwanted infant safely without fear of arrest or prosecution. The baby must be less than 45 days old. The child must be dropped off at a hospital emergency room, fire station, or police station.